Good morning, YouTube. You've got Nick with Nick's Lawn Care and Landscape Maintenance. Today, I'm just going to show you this property here. We're fixing to do a full landscape transformation on. You know, I'll make clips throughout the video, and I'll figure out how to get it pieced together. Still learning on YouTube's algorithms and how to make a good video. But stay with us. So hopefully you'll see what we do and how we're going to make it look good. Hey, don't forget to like and subscribe now. How you doing, YouTube? Giving y'all an update here. Still going at it. It's currently noon on this, Wednesday. This is what we've got done so far. Sorry about the camera tilt. This is a full landscape reno. Yes, we still have a little bit more pine straw to add there. Y'all can see it's starting to come together slowly. Just wanted to give y'all an update. I'm not sure if we'll get it done today, or when the video will actually be posted due to that, but I will keep updates going on it. It might be tomorrow we'll be finishing the backyard in the ring. Even though it is not considered landscaping, it is leaves in the yard. You want to make it look good for any of your customers. Always remember that. All right, y'all. I'll catch you in a little bit. Hey, YouTube. Nick's Lawn Care again. We did a landscape transformation today on this project. As you've seen earlier in the videos, it's really changed. Hold on. Can't show my customer sign. Not violation of my contract. So you can see the difference of this property. It's got curb appeal now, where earlier it did not. Not by a long shot. These were pre-existing beds, just not taken care of. Just wanted to give everybody a view of what we do on our landscape maintenance side. Sorry I'm out of breath. We've been here, I don't know, 8 or 10 hours. Still got an hour and a half drive home. We'll come back tomorrow and finish up the backyard. We got a little to do back there. Mainly it's just a leaf cleanup back there. But I wanted to give all of y'all an opportunity to see exactly what we do. Remember, like and subscribe to us, buddy. Get us out there. And we are service the greater Birmingham areas. You can go to yardcare.biz. You can request a quote, pay your bills and all that on our website. Talk to y'all later. Bye.